PCs have internal I/O interfaces like PCIe and M.2, and external interfaces like Thunderbolt, to which you can connect peripheral devices. Many of these devices contain code in option ROMs that must be executed by the BIOS for the device to function. This creates an opportunity for attackers to either implant devices in the machine with malicious option ROMs, or to temporarily connect an external device with a malicious option ROM. In some cases, it's even possible to perform the attack remotely by reprogramming the option ROM in an already present legitimate device with a vulnerability. To protect against malicious option ROMs, we have built hypervisor technology into our firmware so we can execute each option ROM within a virtual machine to contain possible threats. All of this happens before Windows boots. What you see here is a very low-cost method to hack PCs, consisting of a PCIe network card with an adapter that converts it to USB-C Thunderbolt port. This was trivial to order and configure. The option ROM on the card has been reprogrammed with malicious code. This setup could easily be scaled down to a small form factor that could be quickly implanted and hidden inside victim machines. We are plugging this card into the USB-C port of a PC without HP's SureStart and turning the power on. The malicious code in the option ROM was executed at the end of the firmware boot sequence before booting into Windows. The unsuspecting user is now typing their password into Windows. Let's see what happens on the hacker's PC halfway across the globe. Every time Windows boots, the option ROM injects a keylogger into the OS. It could, of course, insert anything, such as a backdoor or tools to enable later sabotage. Let's plug this same setup into a computer with HP SureStart. HP SureStart uses virtualization to detect and contain any malicious behavior by the option ROM. When detected, the event is logged and the user is alerted.